these three treasury bills, which is a short-term money rising instrument from central government, and the central bank will issue the treasury bills is type of bond to the public, and then they raise money and they give it to the central bank. So this is the short-term money market instrument, treasury bill, which is done by central bank and central government. Next, commercial banks, commercial bills. When company requires short-term funds, and they may issue the commercial bills which are pending with the customers. All those commercial bills will show as a guarantee to the bank, and they take short-term loan from the bank for managing the working capital. That is commercial bills or commercial paper. And one more thing, that commercial call money market. When bank requires short-term funds, then they'll go for borrowing hourly based or day based short-term funds from the other bank branch. So like this, call money market is useful for banks, which they can borrow short-term money from other bank to lend to the customers when short-term deposits are very less. Then if bank wants to give more loans, then they borrow money from other bank for a short period of time. So like this like this short-term funds like this. So these are the three commercial banks, like money market instruments like treasury bills, commercial bills, and call money market. One more thing, if you see this promissory notes, promissory notes, which is a debt instrument. When a company requires money, requires money from the public, instead of going bank, and they want to raise money from the public. So when they want to raise the money from the public will not give you easy money to the company. So that's why what the company will do, they'll make one document, promissory document, in which they mentioned everything like principal amount of the loan, bond, and rate of interest and maturity date. By mentioning all these, they'll release the promissory notes to the public. Say, for example,